Good, everybody. It's H back with another video. It's been a minute. Last time I was on here, I did the Nike Mind, and I took a bit of a hiatus to, the Nike Mind 02, or what was it? The 02, which is the sneaker, which is dope to this day. I still am wearing it on feet as my daily driver for the most part, and I kind of changed my opinion on it. I might put a social post about it up soon or later. That shoe has changed my life. I love it. I walk with it every day. The nubs are holding up great. It still feels interesting on the foot. Very broken in after a while. I did feel a little bit of, discomfort in the beginning, but after maybe 2 or 3 wears, it went away and I love the shoe now. And that brings me to this. I did get the Nike Mind Slides back then, and I flipped them joints to like $280, I think. I did hit on recent drop of the new colorways, the exclusive ones, and I got one of the exclusive ones here. So it's this bad boy, which is the green colorway. American Pediatric. Look at that. You can look here if you, accepted by the American Pediatric Medical Association. That's pretty dope. I had no clue that this was accepted globally like that. I don't think that was on the other boxes, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna get into this thing right now. I already sold these. I'm not too keen on the side, and I'll tell you why in this video. You all probably seen a bunch of videos in these already. This is the box for it, similar to the sneaker, which is far superior, but paper's the same. The ups, and the slide itself. This is kind of fire. I haven't looked at these yet at all. I just kind of threw them in the pile when I got them about a week ago. So these are them. Whoo, look pretty cool. That's, got a new setup here going, so things might be a little bit janky in the beginning. So yeah, these are pretty cool. One thing I will say about these slides, they are very well put together. I'm just going to analyze one for now. Let's put you down back here. I don't want to mess these up. These got yellow nubs at the bottom. So I'm going to get a little closer right here so you can see that. And I got 2 camera angles now, people. Boom. Go up here with it. I don't want to do any stand-up reviews or anything like that. I'm holding bigger objects. But yeah, we get this. That little 360 view of that, John. Swooshing, sure. The detail on this slide is great. Mule, I'm sorry. Padding inside, you got extra padding in here, so it's very firm padding, but I heard this cuffs the shoe very well. Definitely go a size up. I went 13, a size 12, so recognize that you don't want that back, because the back heel is kind of raised here because it's a mule, so you definitely want a snugger fit. Treat it like a slide and go with your normal slide sizing, which usually half size to a size up. All right. That nub functionality right here. So the reason why I was critical of these in the beginnings, because you don't feel the nubs as much in the slide than you do inside of the shoe. The shoe, you definitely get that ground connection that they talk about with, we feel that energy return, I guess, and you feel the ground, whatever you're walking on, without really kind of feeling what you're walking. It's interesting. But like I said, I have a foot massager under my desk, and I use it all the time. And it's very, it's a very firm massage, and sometimes it gets to the point where it hurts my feet, and then it feels so good when I release it because the blood vessels kind of open up and all that type of stuff. Having that feeling sort of on your foot on a daily basis is a pleasure to me, and people with the sneaker will attest to that, I'm assuming. The biggest criticism of the sneaker, obviously, is the looks of it. It looks very basic. Some people say that it's just not the aesthetically pleasing, or it's just whatever. I think it looks fine. I don't understand why people say it looks very modern, very minimalistic in my opinion, but it does have a modern look to it, if that makes any sense. The slide, on the other hand, is overkill. People say it looks like a Cybertruck. I've seen people compare it to I don't even know, like a space shoe, a missile, whatever. But one thing about it, it's ventilated, okay? These things down here definitely serve their purpose, like I said, but not as much as the shoe. And it's a cool looking thing. The red colorway, in my opinion, is probably the best one of the two that just dropped a couple weeks ago, a week ago. I'm actually looking out. I'm not going to pay resale for any of these. Obviously, they're staggering the drops. This color may never come out again. So understand that when you buy these, I flipped it for a high amount of money. They're still going. Like, resale value has dropped a bit. I should have sold it. I think I sold it around 230 something. I was being stingy or greedy. I had it up there for like 280 at one point, and then the prices steadily dropped. I passed on a 275 and a 260, and now I'm at 230. So I was like, let me just let go of it. I'm still doubling my money after fees anyway. Overall, I'm gonna give the slide itself a 7 out of 10. Similar rating to what I gave the shoe in the original video, but I'm upping the shoe value as far as ratings go to a 9 out of 10. Well, no, 8 out of 10. I think I go to 7. And only because that shoe is a great innovation, in my opinion, you know, after a few wears and understanding really how it helps with a lot of things, like from a footwear perspective and comfort perspective, especially for athletes. I think they're going to really appreciate it as a daily driver or just a walking around shoe. But this, on the other hand, it's still yet to put one on my feet, so I'm not going to give you that review at all. So the energy return here is definitely not as good, just on the feeling, because the nubs here are more indented and do not have the same output ear. So when you do press in, as you can see a lot better on this new setup. Get that in focus. See it moving a little bit right here. This nub, it's like moving when you press down. You're not getting that energy return all the way across on the slide like you do with the sneaker. So if I was y'all, for the price point, about $140 for the sneaker, go get that. This being $100 slide, I think, yeah, $95, I think, or Mule. Is it worth it? Yes, if you want the full 100% experience of this thing. If you don't, just go with the sneaker. I think they're reselling for a little bit less or around the same price. Nike's doing a great job of marketing these. I totally love the way that things have rolled out, and I'm assuming this is the way they're going to do a lot of their releases moving forward. So Godspeed to them, and keep your mind on this as things start to progress. And if they start mass producing, feel free to get it at retail. It's worth the wait. I wouldn't pay resale right now. The hype is still there. I ain't gonna lie. People are like, there's less people buying though, but I would not take all the critics' word for it. It is truly an innovation in footwear, mainly because, you know, I've attested, I have a lot of shoes. I buy all the crazy ones that do all the crazy things to your feet, whether it's Max Air or Triple Max Air, Scorpion Air, the Ultra Boost, and all the Adidas foams that are comfy. Never tried a New Balance foam yet. I heard the New Balance foams are really good, but this whole technology here is groundbreaking. I believe that a lot of brands are going to follow suit and try to come up with their own thing after seeing the success of Nike. And, you know, these are going out the door tomorrow. Go pick yours up if you want. There might be a little link in the bio. Like I said, this is probably the second best colorway that came out. The materials are amazing. I think this is a long laster as far as a slide or whatever. As thick as a Yeezy, probably as comfortable, and will last a long time in my opinion. So tell me what you think in the comments of this colorway, which is I don't even know what the colorway is. The green. It's a green. Oh, Geode Chrome. Yeah, Geode. Yeah, the Geode. Teal Geode. So let me know what you think. I'm out. Peace.